Dear all, today we are going to see how to create a database in Visual Basic 6.0. So for this, we're going to the VB screen and I'm going to choose Standard EXE. I'm going to click open. The VB IDE will get opened. And from this, I'm going to choose Add Insert menu, Visual Data Manager. And here, can you see a small icon over here? I'm going to click this. This is the Viz Data window. And from this, I'm going to choose the file menu, new. And since I'm going to create the database for the first time, I'm going to choose new Microsoft Access version 2.0. And I'm going to store directly on the desktop. We can store it in any location. We'll have to remember the particular location. So the name of the database is sample. I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to right click over properties. I'm going to create a table. So for that, I'm going to click new table. So let the name of the table be sample table. And I'm going to add the field. So the first field is the student name. So the data type is text. Okay. The second field is date of birth. I'll choose the data type as date and time. Okay. And can you see the field name inserted here? And the third, we will have mobile number. And I'll choose it as single, or we can have it as integer. I'll give OK. So now I have created 3 fields. So click on close. We can create any number of fields. And now I'm going to choose build the table. So now I've created a table called as sample table. When I click this icon and when I double click over the fields, so these are the fields: student name, date of birth, and mobile number. So now I'm going to add the data to the fields. So for this, I'm going to right click on the sample table and I'm going to click open. So now we can give the data here. So for that, click on add. I'm giving a student name. Let me name it as A. Date of birth 12/9/2000 and mobile number update. Again, I want to add one. So can you see here 1 1? So this is the first record. Again, I'm going to add the second record. Let me have it as B and date of birth and the mobile number. Click update. Now there are 2 records. To navigate, we can see here. So let me create one more record. Click on add. Name, let me give it as C. Mobile number and update. So now we are having 3 records. So this is the first record, second and third. Now we can edit any record. I can edit, I can give update, I can delete any record. So by clicking this, we can delete it. Now currently I'm not going to delete it. And again, if you want, you can add the record. So this is how you add the fields. Now I'm going to click over close. So now we have created a database. We created a table, and that we created a set of fields. And now we have inserted records to the fields. Now if I right click here, you can see the design. So if I want to add or update any field, I can do it over here. So by right clicking, design, you can add or update the field. Again, right click, open. You can add or update the or delete the record over here. So this is how you create a database in Visual Basic 6.0. Thank you for watching.